Good morning to all of our readers, the readers of the FutureTrend channel. Today is 1st May 2018 and we start our analysis of major currencies. Beforehand, we'd like to note you that today we will come just with only one of Union holidays. We'd like to tell you that probably today the day will be more or less calm. That's depending, of course, on the series of United States economic numbers which scheduled for the end of the day, but taking into account that liquidity will be rather limited today, we also limited today because of the European Union holidays. Probably the market will be a little bit unmoved and a little bit stagnant. Anyway, the overall situation is still very positive for the United States dollar. As you can see, the yield curve of United States government debt is under the upside pressure at the moment. Also taking into account the weaker economic numbers coming from the European Union, we have to acknowledge to the fact that the euro dollar is in the frame of clear downtrend, and that's probably mean that in the foreseeable future we will retest the level of 120, which is both psychological level coinciding with another technical indicator in the form of moving average 200 daily line, which located today around 120.12. That means that probably around that level the euro dollar could find a kind of tougher support. Anyway, we should to understand that the overall situation is still rather negative for the euro currency at the moment. Immediate kind of downtrend located today around 121, and the pain needs a direct break above this trend line to improve its near-term technical situation. Probably during today we could see such kind of event, but it could happen only in case of dismal United States economic numbers. We'd like to remember you that today we have ISM manufacturing PMI and construction spending from the United States. As regarding the other currencies, like in the euro dollar, which is very close to test its moving average 200 daily line as well as pivotal support of 120, the dollar yen is rather close to reach the psychologically important barrier 110, where also lies, like in the euro dollar, where also lies moving average 200 daily line. Here we have it around 110.22. Yes, 110.22, 110.23. We suggest that probably around this barrier also the dollar yen could find a kind of tougher resistance and could take a kind of pause in its uptrend and get under correction that could take the currency at least towards its immediate uptrend line located around, let's see, in the 4-hour chart, around 108.20. That's why we still keep our short rate recommendation with a reasonable target around 108.20. Sterling. Yesterday the pair tested its important long-term uptrend line located around 137.10. The low was, let's see, around 137.12. And while we are trading above this trend line, the cable still keeps some kind of hopes for a rebound, correctional rebound, after a strong slump we witnessed during previous 2 weeks. We'd like to remember you that only 2 weeks ago the cable was traded around 143.77, the post-referendum high, Brexit referendum, and now the pay is around 137.54. That means that we lost around 6 big figures in the price of the currency. Probably from that point of view, and also taking into account the near-term technical indicators, the cable is ripe for a possible correction. But to realize, to fulfill such kind of hopes, we need stronger numbers. In today's UK manufacturing PMI, which is scheduled for 9:30, as well as weaker numbers coming from the United States. And finally, some words about the dollar Swiss. The dollar Swiss at the moment also approaching a major upside barrier around parity level, and here we'd like to take a kind of flexible approach. We are ready to sell the pair on a possible extension of the up move to 99.75 with a stop above 100.40. At the same time, we are ready to buy the pair on a possible falling closer to its immediate uptrend line located around 97.60, which presents a kind of a very solid support right now. But once again, from a longer term point of view, first of all, we need to see kind of correction in the price of the dollar Swiss, taking into account once again the overbought conditions of some of technical indicators. And from that point of view, probably the pair could find a kind of interim top around parity level. That's why we will use this opportunity to sell the pair around 99.75. The 99.77 was the high of December 2017, with the stop above October highs. That's registered. That's what's registered around 100.37. At the moment, that's all. Thank you very much for your attention. We will come tomorrow with our other analysis and with a new version of analysis of major currencies. It was your FutureTrend channel. Bye bye for now.